Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It will surely help our channel. Happy reading! Hey everyone, so this is chapter 227 of When Beauty Meets Beast. Let's start reading. So one gave birth to wolves. They are wolves. They are my children. Oh, nauna pa siya. They look like one, so beautiful. So apat. The biggest one is female, the rest are males. Paano naging kamukha ni Wanwan dyan? Puro wolves yan, puro cubs. Langzu, you've been worrying that I would be alone until I die. You wouldn't be alone anymore since you have babies. If you were still alive, you would be so happy. Surely, apat agad. Dami ah. Yung old witch doctor nila. Look at these 4 healthy and adorable wolf babies. Wanwan and I are their parents. Nag-emote agad si Shuang yun. Ba talaga pag nagiging magulang na, no? Pag first time mo nakikita yung baby mo, dami mo agad naiisip. And that's what Shuang Yin doing right now. How's Wanwan doing? Oh, I know you're sad, Baidi, that it's not your child. Maybe next time, ikaw naman, ha? For sure, ikaw naman pagbibigyan niya. She's so small. She must have suffered a lot giving birth to the babies. That's right. Where's Wanwan? Ayun yung pa naalala. Ayun pa naalala ni Shuang Yun. Siyempre, naano pa siya sa babies, di ba? Ikaw ba naman maging first time dad? She's fine. She's exhausted and fell asleep. Oh, ang galing naman yan, no? Ni Elder Shuangling paanak. Apat agad na paanak niya. You should thank me. Your children were all delivered by me. Complicated feelings. Galit kasi siya, diba? Kaya ayaw niya mag-thank you. Why? Why did you know how to deliver babies? Ito naman, nagtanong ka pa, pinaanak na nga yung anak mo eh. When I was in Feather Tribe, I helped the females with their deliveries. Diba? Proud na proud. Chin up. Up and above, up. Okay. Don't all the females in Feather Tribe lay eggs like the snakes? Oo nga, yung snakes maglay ng eggs. So, ang birds din, di ba? Who needs assistance in laying eggs? Busted. Huli ka, Balbon. So you don't know how to deliver a baby at all? Di siya marunong pero naluwa naman yung apat. Naluwal pala. So what's the bust? I am an elder of the Feather Tribe. Is there anything I can't do? Boastful na naman tong bird na to. That bird man. Thank goodness, Wanwan and my children are fine. O kasi tumulong din yung diba? Yung kinain niya na grass. May powers. Open eyes. Nagising na si Wanwan. Ay, Wanwan, you're awake. I feel so light and refreshed. It's like I've been cleaned. Oh, yes, you are. You've been cleaned. Nanganak ka lang, OA mo na ha. Diba? Fresh na fresh ang ating 1-1 girl. Ah, my belly, my children. Oh, you forgot again. Nanganak ka na. Rustling. You haven't fully recovered. Just lay down for now. Heidi, you are back. Of course. Nalaman nilang manganganak ka na. Uwi agad sila. Though, as I can see, Heidi is disappointed kasi di siya yung ama. Pero for sure, he'll be happy. Drink some soup to replenish your energy. Diba? Ang gwapo pa rin ni Heidi. Ang lagi niya lang iniisip si 1-1. Diba? Everything will always be in 1-1. Where are the children? Why aren't they here with me? Is there anything wrong with them? Nervous. Nervyosa si ate. The children are here. One, look, our children are incredibly beautiful. Diba? Proud daddy yarn. They all look like you. They are my children? Yuck yung first time, mom. They are all wolf babies. So fluffy. So fluffy. No, pang teddy bear yung anak mo. My nose feels tingly. I'll almost want to cry. They are the children I gave birth to in the beast world. My own blood. They look like 4 little mice. Ginawa mo pang daga. Ano ka ba? Ba't ginawa mong daga yung anak mo? They don't like mice at all. Ba't ka sumigaw? They're the strongest babies I've ever seen, and they'll be the strongest warriors of the wolf tribe. Naiyak tuloy. Ba naman? Galit ka kaagad. They do like little mice. Shut up. Pero naman ang provoke na naman to si Shaolin. Thanks for helping me deliver the baby. O, di ba? Nagpasalamat pa rin siya. Buti pa ito nagpapasalamat. The snake who happened to hear it, he did help a lot. But he really can't deliver babies. Kasi nandun siya di ba? Correct. Huh? So let's see the preview. When they knew 1-1 was giving birth to a baby, I couldn't run back as fast as you. There isn't enough time. What are you going to do? Let's go, Baidi. Sumakay siya sa likod. Because Baidi is much faster than him. So what he did, he went at Baidi's back so Baidi could run fast and she won't be left behind. You are in trouble now. It's Raul. Right, that's the end. That's the backstory. And that's the end of this chapter. Let's see what will happen on the next coming chapters then. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. Thank you for reading with me, everyone. Until
the